28 members of parliament drawn from across Zimbabwe's political divide have been selected to debate the controversial constitutional amendment bill number 3, with the opposition imposed opposition parliamentary leader TSHABANGU dominating predominantly proportional representation MPs rather than constituency-based legislators to participate in the debate today. Sarabina mashkubranyi kwa pangu ni subscribe or like on the bell icon. Keep it up update. The select legislators are expected to take part in a debate that critics say is paving the way for the rubber stamp of one of the most far-reaching constitutional changes since the adoption of the 2013 Constitution. A parliamentary document attached below shows that Parliament has placed Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 at the top of today's order paper. The move signals Parliament's determination to have the debate concluded today, with growing expectations within political circles that the bill could be passed as early as tomorrow. The bill, which was introduced in Parliament on Tuesday, seeks to introduce sweeping constitutional changes that would fundamentally reshape Zimbabwe's governance architecture. Among its most contentious provisions are proposals to extend presidential, parliamentary, and local terms from 5 to 7 years, and to replace the direct election of the president by citizens with elections through the parliament. The debate comes after the Joint Parliamentary Committee endorsed most of the bill's provisions and recommended that Parliament proceed with consideration of the processed amendments. The recommendation cleared the way for the bill to move into substantive parliamentary debate. Supporters of the amendment argue that the proposed changes will reduce the financial burden associated with the elections, minimize political tensions linked to presidential contest, and strengthen accountability between the executive and the parliament. Doma developments are repopangwa ine. Comment section metu za fungura ili moto bipa msiri bichitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.